Hey everyone, welcome back to Leoranova. In this video, I'll show you how to loop YouTube videos on PC so they play on repeat automatically. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open YouTube in your browser and play the video you want to loop. Next, right-click anywhere on the video player itself. This will bring up a small menu. From that menu, click Loop. Once it's turned on, you'll see a check mark next to it. That's it. The video will now automatically restart and play on repeat every time it finishes. No extra extensions or software needed. If you want to turn looping off, just right-click the video again and click Loop once more to uncheck it. And that's it. A quick and simple way to loop any YouTube video on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe to Leoranova, and I'll see you in the next video.